Hey guys, I'm back again with a new video, and in this video I'll let you know how to install Java JDK to your operating system. So let's get started. First you have to open up your favorite browser and just type in over there Java JDK, and in search result page the first link will open up from oracle.com. Click on this link and it will take you to a number of the list of latest versions of Java JDK. So always remember to install the latest version of JDK. Click on JDK download option, and as per your requirement you can download it for any of the operating system, be it your Linux, be it your micro Mac OS or Windows install. So currently I'm using Windows 64-bit and I'm going to install for Windows 64-bit. I'll say click on this check mark and download it. So guys, I have already installed I'm already installed and downloaded this Java JDK to my local machine. So I'll quickly take you to the uh, exe file. How does it look? So exe file, it looks like this, and when you click on this it will take you to the it will start installing the Java JDK to your Windows operating system. So just follow the latest instruction what appears on your window and just keep on clicking next, next, next. So let's wait for installer to prompt. Okay, now it says this software has already been installed on your computer. Would you like to reinstall it? I'll say yes. Let the installation start from the beginning and keep on installing. So click on next, say next. Till then the Java is getting installed to my local machine. I'll let you know guys how to check if the Java is installed to your machine or no. So what you need to do is you need to go to your command prompt and type in over there Java C. If it is recognizable, it will give you the list of executable command what if Java is installed. If not, it will show you this option. It says Java is not recognized an internal or external command. So let's get back and see if it is installed. Okay, now it says the Java has been successfully installed, but still I'm not able to locate. It is not showing me if it is installed. So it is the reason because it is not showing it because we have not set the environmental variable. So we need to go back and set the environmental variable. So how do we do that? Let's go to the control panel, click on system and security, click on system and click on advanced system setting. At the end you can see the environmental variable link and it will open up this dialog box. So what you need to do, you need to set the path, click on edit and go back to the JDK where it's been installed. So most probably it will always get installed to your C drive, program files, Java folder, and this you can see it has been created. So what you need to do, you need to go until bin folder and copy this entire path and paste it to your path folder. Now I'll say OK, I'll say OK, and I'll say OK, and I'll close this. So I'll go again back to my command prompt and I'll see if Java is installed. How do I do that? It will be a command JAV Java C. See guys, initially we saw it was giving me some other error, and now it is telling us that these are the list of executable command that Java supports, and we can see something is coming up. Now we have to also verify if the Java is installed and which version of Java is installed. So we can do it with the help of same command Java C hyphen version. It says Java C is 14th version. 14th version of Java has been installed to my machine. So guys, we also have a question like how do I set the environmental variable to my home directory. So we can let me show you how can you do that. How can you do that? Go to again we have to go to the control panel, go to system and security, go to system, and again go to advanced system setting, go to environmental variable, and now it says user variable of wish. I mean whatever the name of your computer, my computer name is wish, so it's showing me as a wish over here. I'll say new, and guys you have to write everything in capital, like the same way. It should not be different, should not be lowercase and all. It should be JAVA Java separated by underscore and home, and then again it will be the directory of your bin. It should be until JDK, and I'll say okay. I'll say okay, and I'll say okay, and again I'll go back and I'll see if it is there. I'll say Java C. Okay, now Java has been installed, guys. So this is all about how to install Java and how to get confirmed, or how can you verify if Java is installed to your machine or no. So this is the way how can you do. If you have, guys, any queries or any comment, you can question me. You can put your question in the comment box and I'll surely reply to you, all your comments. Thank you, guys, and that's all from my side.